Hi friends, so I know sometimes I do just written reminders and weekly updates, but this week I'm going to do a video and screencast to just kind of show you what we're doing this week and assignments that will be done for social studies this week. So you'll see our schedule. We are in week 6. Notice I did put week 6 and 7 together because there are some things that we're going to use in both, specifically our maps, okay? Our maps are fairly large, meaning like they're a large amount of work. So we're going to work on them 2 days this week, and we're also going to finish them next week. So don't feel like when you see how much work it is, like, oh my gosh, I have to get all of it done on Monday. You don't. We're not going to hand them in for probably 2 weeks at least. So don't panic, and I'll give you kind of a heads up before we're actually going to turn them in. So Monday, friends that are in class, we're going to watch a video together, and I'm going to go over maps with you. Same thing for my Group B friends on Tuesday. So I'll show you the folder for maps, but you don't necessarily need the directions yet because I will give you directions in class, and then you'll have work time on your map on Wednesday, okay, either in class or at home. For my distance learners, I'll show you the map stuff, okay? The other lesson that we're doing this week is on federalism, and it is in Schoology in this slide. Ignore all this stuff because this is week 7, so anything below, ignore it for now, okay, until we get to week 7. But our federalism lesson is a Google slideshow, but it's done through Pear Deck, so it's kind of cool, and I'll come back to that in a minute and show you how you're going to use that when you're at home, either on Monday or Tuesday, depending on which group you're in. So maps. So this video we're going to watch in class, but if you're a distance learner, I would love for you to watch this at home just to kind of review the Constitution and things like that and what took place while it was being written. So map part 2 is what we're doing now. And I gave you a new map in class. If you are a distance learner, then you have maps in Schoology right here, okay, that you can utilize. I split them up into more than one, okay, because otherwise it would be too much on one. So you might have to make a copy of a few different things. So if distance learners, if you go in here, it will show you, make a copy of each so you can see both parts of the United States, okay? So that's for distance learners. Otherwise, if you are in class with me, you will have a paper copy anyway. Okay, so here are all the directions for your map. Like I said, I know it looks like a lot of information, but we are going to do a lot of it in class, and we're going to do multiple days and things like that. And some of it's just like give your map a title, draw a compass that shows north, south, east, west, things like that, and have a key and things like that. So don't panic. We'll do some of it together, and then I'll put some more resources in this folder too so you can utilize those if you need to. Just remember, we're not using markers on maps if you have a paper map because they will bleed through. A lot of times they get really messy and things like that. But here are all the directions that I'll go over with you in class if you are a hybrid learner. If you're a distance learner, this is what you need. And then you can email me if you have any questions. The second activity that we're doing this week is the federalism folder. Okay, so like I said, it is a Pear Deck slideshow. And what that means is if I give you a Google slideshow through Pear Deck, it just makes it interactive. So here is the slideshow. And I know you can't see the whole thing because my screen's not big enough and it doesn't let me make it larger. But like there's the first slide. So in your view, you'll be able to type right in here, which is kind of cool. Okay, so you'll be able to answer and do responses right in the Google slideshow because I created it with Pear Deck. So it's kind of cool. And then there'll be directions for each slide, like watch the video, describe what federalism is. This is a video that you'll be able to click on and it will open in its own tab, things like that. Okay, and then as you learn about what federalism is, okay, then you'll have a slide. This is the direction slide, but on your view, you'll have another slide next to it that you can type into to answer this. So it's kind of cool. It's interactive. And then you have like some true false questions and stuff as you go. So it's interactive and it's supposed to kind of be a little bit more engaging than just having you read through a Google slideshow. But in order to join it, you have to click this link that says joinpd.com, okay? And then it will ask you for a code. So your code is GOQMBW. Hopefully this code works. If it doesn't work by the time you're doing it this week, there might be a new code in here, but whatever code I have pasted in here by the time you're ready to do the lesson is what you're going to put in when you go to joinpd.com. Okay, so then you'll see your slideshow, you'll go through it, you'll watch the video, you'll interact with some of the questions and answer them and do the activities that I have in there. And then when you're finished, I get all of your information on my end through the Pear Deck website, so you don't have to like submit anything like that, okay? So this might be new to some of us, but we are going to use Pear Deck this year because it's a little bit more interactive. I have it set up as a self-paced activity, meaning like you're just doing it at home at your own pace. But sometimes in class, we might do like a classroom-paced activity, meaning like we're doing it together, which is kind of fun because then I can show different responses and whatnot on the board as we answer them in real time, okay? So those are the two things that we're doing this week because Wednesday is just work time on your map. So you'll get started on Monday or Tuesday, whichever day you're in class with me, and then we'll work on it Monday. I'll give you like a little sneak peek of next week. We're creating our digital foldables at one point next week, whether it's Monday or Tuesday, and then you're going to have the whole hour to work on maps then too. So don't panic about how much work the map is. We're going to break it down and give you enough time. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Otherwise, have a great week.